Welcome. If you've ever missed dialogue in Facebook videos or just prefer watching with captions on, this quick guide will show exactly how to enable always-on captions on Facebook using your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made this setting easy to find. You just need to know where to look. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another set of options. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to Facebook's main settings page, where you can control various preferences related to your account. Now, look along the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of different settings categories. Scroll down a bit until you find Media. Click on it. Inside the Media settings, you'll find an option labeled Always Show Captions. This is the setting you're looking for. Right next to it, you'll see a toggle or drop-down option. Simply switch it to On, and that's it. From now on, videos on Facebook will automatically display captions whenever they're available, without you needing to turn them on each time. This is especially helpful if you're watching videos in a quiet environment, a noisy place, or just prefer reading along as you watch. It's a small setting, but it makes a big difference in your overall experience. Give it a try and see how it improves your time on Facebook. Thanks for watching.